All right, welcome back to Sugar Mama Investing. In this video, I'm going to open up my Robinhood account. I'm going to show you how to buy a call option. But before I do that, I want to go through and explain why you might want to buy a call option or why I buy call options. So remember, a call option gives you the right to buy 100 shares of stock at a certain price by a certain date. So what you hope happens when you buy a call is that you hope that the price of the stock rises. For me, I don't ever exercise the option. I just buy the option contract for one price and hopefully sell it for a higher price in the case of buying a call. And so what I hope is that as the share price of the underlying stock increases, the value of that contract increases. And so if you buy a contract for $7, you hope that the underlying stock goes higher so that you can sell that options contract for $10. So that's essentially what I do when I trade options is I buy the contract for a lower price when you're specifically buying a call option. You buy it for a low price and you want to sell it at a higher price and you get to keep the difference in those prices. So let's jump right into it. I'll show you exactly how to buy a call option in Robinhood.
So I'm here on the main page, on the browse page, and I'm going to be buying a call option for Fitbit, which is stock ticker FIT. So I put FIT in the search window and Fitbit should come up. I click on it. Today it's trading for about $6.82, and that's what it looks like when I change the chart to a different view from 1 day to a 3-month view, and that's what Fitbit's been doing. It had been trending up for the last 3 months. Then there's a big break in there where it trended up to about $7.50 and then kind of gapped down. So it's probably because of earnings, but as of right now it's trading at just under $7 at about $6.80. So if you continue to scroll down, it gives you some stats about what it opened for that day, close, just some general information about the price of the stock and the volume of the stock, what it's been doing recently. So I'm going to click on the orange or red trade button, and that brings me a couple of options, either trade options or buy, and I'm going to click trade options. This is the discovery page where if you think it's going to go up or down, you can click on one of those things and it gives you the different options that you can trade. So what we're going to do today is buy a call. So I clicked on learn more for buy a call, and here's what it tells me. It tells me that buying a call gives me the right, but not the obligation, to buy 100 shares of the stock, which would be Fitbit, at a certain price, which is $7, it's the one I'm going to by a certain expiration date. And if you scroll down, it gives you all kind of examples and different information. So if you have a Robinhood account, I would highly recommend going in and looking at it, but we're not going to go through all of that right now. So back to the Discover page, at the top there are some dates, and those are the expiration dates. I clicked on the January 15th, 2020, and if you see in the middle, the share price is trading for about $6.81. What I'm going to buy today is the one right above it, which is the $7 call. It's going to cost about $12. As you see, the break-even point would be $7.12, and to break even it's going to cost about, or it's going to have to go up about 4.5%. So I click on the $7 call where it says 7 and it has the box for 12, and this is what comes up. So it explains what I want to buy at the top. I want to buy a Fitbit option, the $7 call that expires on January 15th of 2021. So I want to buy one contract which controls 100 shares. Now I'm going to pause here to explain about the limit price. Right under the limit price, it says the bid is 9 cents and the ask is 14 cents. Now remember, the ask is what they are asking you to pay. So they're asking me to pay 14 cents a share or $14. The bid price is what they are trying to sell it at. So if I owned this and wanted to sell it, I could sell it right now for $9 or 9 cents a share. The reason I put a limit price in there of 12 is because it's right in between the bid and the ask. So if I can get it filled for $12, it's right in the middle of what they're asking and what they're selling. So I hit the review button, and down at the bottom it explains exactly what I'm buying. I'm buying a $7 call which is the right to buy the shares of Fitbit at $7 by January the 15th. And if I don't, then the option will expire worthless, which means it won't be anything and I will have lost my whole $12. So I swiped up to submit my order, and there is the confirmation that my order has been placed. Now my order didn't fill because remember they were asking $14 and I only said I would pay $12. So I don't have any contracts yet. I just went back to my home screen where it's showing Fitbit is trading at $6.82. But when someone is willing to sell me the option for $12 instead of the $14 they were asking, the order will fill. So I went back into my account later and my order did fill. So there is my Fitbit call for $7 that I paid $12 for.
So as you can see, buying a call option is really easy. It's really a matter of paying attention, knowing exactly what you want to buy, and going in, hitting the correct buttons, and just adding it to your account. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.